Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Welcome back to the channel. It's been quite some time since I did an update. I do want to thank all the long-term subscribers, all the viewers supporting the channel. Immensely appreciate that. For today's video, I wanted to jump into the portfolio, give you guys an update since it's been so long. As you can see here, all has not been well with the portfolio. Currently under 500,000, 477,933. You can see here 1 week up 15.98% in the green, 65,840. 1 month up 6.1%, 27,800. But 3 months you can see here down 16.21%, 92,494 in the red. Unfortunately, it gets worse. Year to date, it has been rebounding here quite nicely, up 19.8%, 76,577. But 1 year here you can see down 36.24% in the red. 271,608. So I'm hoping the year of 2023 is the rebound year for the portfolio. Have a nice little start here, up 76,577. So this 271 was even lower, unfortunately. Did a few mistakes on the portfolio. I tried to do some tax loss harvesting at the end of the year 2022, and that definitely did not go well. I tried to do that with Tesla, and unfortunately, before I could get back into the position, Tesla has rebounded 70-80% from when I was sold off. So that is accounting for that huge loss. Some mistakes were made in the portfolio. Here are some options, cryptocurrencies. I do want to highlight the stock holdings here. There have been quite a few changes. I've consolidated a lot of the positions. And I want to highlight what I'm still currently holding in the portfolio. You can see stocks here up on top. I did hang on to all of my pharmaceutical companies, healthcare services companies, Eli Lilly and Company. You can see here up on top, $1,600 of market value, 5 shares. A lot of these are originals to the portfolio. ABBV, AbbVie, just under $5,000 market value for AbbVie. Pfizer, PFE, 41.1%, or excuse me, 41.1 current market value of Pfizer, 130 shares. Holdings 5,300. I do like these healthcare services companies and pharmaceutical companies because of their dividend. You can see on the bottom 3.9%. What I've been doing with Pfizer, a lot of these companies have been selling off covered calls, essentially doubling or tripling the amount of dividend income if you include that with the dividend. You can see here dividend of 53.3, but I've been making some covered calls, low value, but essentially equaling that, if not more, per each quarter. So that 4% dividend turns into about an 8 to 10% dividend if you factor in the covered call income as well. VTRS here, Abbott, ABT, Johnson & Johnson. So I've kept all of those companies up on top. I still do have my large holding in Boeing, currently valued $211.85. Market value, one of the largest holdings in the portfolio. I think second largest now since I exited out of Tesla. 254,220, 1,200 shares. Been doing covered calls with Boeing. You can see here over the past 1 year it has rebounded, but 5 years it is still down quite considerably since the highs back in 2019, 2020 or so before the pandemic. But I think this is a long-term hold for the portfolio. Moving down here, you can see a lot of the positions I have exited out. I'll highlight that on another video. I do want to focus on Ford Motor Company. This is currently the largest holding in the portfolio. As you can see here, I added to my holdings market value 414,062, 31,900 shares. I do want to highlight on the bottom, I was fortunate to get a special dividend with Ford Motor Company. Let's go all the way to the bottom to show you guys that. As you can see here, Ford dividend on March 1st, the regular dividend of $3,465. That was 15 cents per share. At that time, holding 23,100 shares. So very nice quarterly income of $3,465 for the portfolio, as well as a special dividend. If we go back down to the history, $15,015. You can see here a special dividend of 65 cents per share. This was a supplemental dividend, I believe, because of the sale of shares in Rivian, one of the fledgling EV companies that that Ford had invested in, with a number of different companies as well, Amazon included. So nice special dividend, 65 cents per share, $15,015 received on that. So that is more than making up for the annual dividend with Ford. So very good income with Ford so far. On the bottom, you can see as well, total return 15%. If you guys remember to my prior videos, that was up about 200% at one point. So you can see here quite a bit down with Ford Motor Company as well. Again, that large loss over the past 1 year also is because Ford has pulled back a little bit as well, quite considerably as well. You can see here 1 year down 22.92%. So there are a few positions that I think hopefully moving forward here will regain some of the value in the portfolio, the overall Robinhood portfolio. But again, the large Tesla trade was a mistake. I'll highlight this on another video, but I tried to do some tax loss harvesting. If we go to the year view here, you can see it was trending down here for quite some time during 2022, especially at the end of the year. I was trying to get out of the stock, do some tax loss harvesting, essentially sell off for an intentional loss, and then try to buy back after the holding period of about 30 days or so. Unfortunately, you can see after I sold off here in December, the stock bottomed out, and then there was this incredible rebound here. I did miss that. I was not able to get back into the stock. Because of that, I lost quite a bit of money, about $200,000 or so. Been trying to make that back up in options, selling off put contracts. But unfortunately, that's going to take probably all of 2023 to regain that money that I lost. Again, made a mistake there. Tried to do some tax loss harvesting. Got overly complicated with the portfolio. And as a result, I lost some money. If we go back up to the portfolio here, just to kind of scroll again through here, you can see quite a few positions have been sold off. A lot of my REIT investments have been sold off. I'll highlight that on a different video. On the bottom here, a list of all the options that I'm currently doing. Tesla, I'm going to be doing more of Tesla investing moving forward. Ford Motor Company, Boeing, Coinbase, Pfizer, CGC, Canopy Growth, Apple. I think I'm going to be doing a lot more options with Apple moving forward as well. Hood and CRISPR have exited those positions as well. So overall, portfolio definitely took a hit at the end of the year 2022, hoping to rebound here in 2023. Again, just wanted to put out a quick video here highlighting the portfolio. It's been quite some time since I put out a video. As always, I'm going to be doing hopefully daily videos moving forward here. I was doing some traveling, was quite busy with some other investments, some other endeavors that I was doing, but I want to get back into posting some videos. I was having quite a bit of fun earlier doing this, so I hope to get back into posting daily videos here moving forward. Again, I want to thank all the long-term subscribers, all the long-term viewers. Immensely appreciate all the support on the channel. As always, if you guys have any good insights into investments that you guys are doing, sharing some of your portfolios with the channel here, please let me know. And as always, if there's any particular video topic you guys want seen discussed, let me know in the comment threads down below, and I'll do my best to get out a video for you guys. So with that, I'll end the video. Stay safe, happy investing, and see you guys on the next video.